What's going on, guys? Danny back here with Pro Transmissions over in Athens. Guys, it always comes in spurts. We don't ever get the same transmission back to back. Right now we're working on a 10R80, which comes in your Ford Expeditions, your Ford F-150s, some 250s. But it's the common 10-speed transmission that everybody hates, everybody talks about online. So we're going to walk out through one of the most common failure points on it. This is what they call the trash can. This drum right here, this is the CDF drum right here. So what happens is, and if you look right here, this bushing is walked up and you can only see a portion of the fill hole right here. Now, this is the new updated anodized version of it. We got this one from Sonax, and this is the updated drum. You can see how far down the bushing is now, so it hasn't walked. So what happens is when that bushing walks, it actually eats this sealing ring right here. You can see that part right there? So with that, and then it starts losing pressure, of course. See, that shouldn't be like that right there. So it's eating right there. There's an updated drum. There's an updated fix for it. I know, of course, it costs money. They're expensive to build, but there's fixes to them. We go back through. We put Sonax updated CDF drum in it, Sonax updated drum in it. We do a valve correction kit in the valve body. We do a lot of fixes for these to get them to last longer. So if you need your 10-speed rebuilt, you know who to call. See you on the next one, guys.